easel.
All right, cool. So after this module, you're going to be able to look at a variety of sources of traffic on the internet and prioritize the channels that are working for your growth hacking operation over others. One metric to look at first is the source of the traffic, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just saying that when this traffic comes from this website, it's tracked by Google Analytics, and then you can look that up later. The second part is the medium of the traffic. So examples of traffic medium might be organic search versus paid advertising versus email referrals, or it might say none. Now, oftentimes, none just means that it was a direct link given to somebody in particular, which might mean word of mouth. For example, if Sanjay sends an email to Rob with a link to a particular page on a website and then Rob visits it, his medium would likely turn up as none in Google Analytics. So as you're sending your content marketing, for example, out into the world, you have to know which channels are giving you the highest return on investment so that you can prioritize and put your energy there. And the best way to do this is with the combined metric of source and medium, because it will show you not only the source, but the medium from which the source is delivering you traffic. And it's important to make sure that you have opted into email tracking if you're a part of an email list service. All right, cool. So for example, let's say that Viveka here is responsible for generating leads on a particular piece of thought leadership as a part of a growth hacking operation. So what Viveka might do is arrange 2 different email list partnerships. Then when she goes into Google Analytics, she could find that in the source medium metric, there's a specific trade journal that had a much higher conversion rate than all the other sources of traffic. And then she'll know that that trade journal is an effective way to distribute the content to generate the traffic that she wants to create growth.